From 2026 to 2034, these 4 investments can make you wealthy, inshallah. Are you ready to change your financial future? The next 8 years could be the best opportunity of your life to grow wealth if you invest smartly. In this video, I will show you the 4 best investments from 2026 to 2034 that can potentially make you rich. Watch till the end because I will show you the best strategy to use all 4 sectors together. Number 1. Gold. Safe asset. First comes gold. Gold is a timeless, safe asset. When there is inflation, political instability, or market volatility in the world, gold always stays stable. Why gold? Protects wealth, steady long-term growth, easy to invest through physical gold or ETFs. Pro tip: do not put all your money in gold. It is safe but does not have the highest growth potential. Think of it as insurance for your wealth. Number 2, AI, meaning artificial intelligence. The second is AI and technology. The AI revolution is real and it has just begun. Automation, robotics, cloud computing, this sector is expected to grow massively until 2034. How to invest? NVIDIA, Microsoft, or OpenAI partner companies. ETFs like BOTZ for robotics or SOXX for semiconductors. Pro tip: the tech sector has high growth but high volatility. Reduce risk by investing in multiple companies or ETFs. Number 3, clean energy. The third is clean energy, solar, wind, EV, and energy storage. The world is moving away from fossil fuels. Governments, companies, and consumers are actively investing in renewable energy. Why now? Rapid global adoption, high growth potential, eco-friendly, and ESG-friendly. Pro tip: invest in ETFs like ICLN or directly in EV and solar companies. This sector can deliver double-digit growth over the next 8 years. Number 4. Biotech and healthcare. The fourth is biotech and healthcare. A growing population and revolutionary advancements in genetics, medicine, and telehealth will drive strong growth in this sector until 2034. Key trends: gene editing and AI-driven medicine, telehealth and digital healthcare, pandemic preparedness and innovation. Pro tip: invest in biotech ETFs like IBB, healthcare giants like Moderna, telehealth companies like Teladoc. These offer a mix of high growth and stability. Final tip: smart investment strategy. How to use all 4 sectors together smartly. Simple formula: 40% gold for wealth protection, 35% AI and technology for high growth, 15% clean energy for future growth, 10% biotech and healthcare for long-term security. This mix balances risk and return, increasing your chances of maximizing profit. If this video was valuable for you, subscribe for more investment tips. Like and share with those who want to become financially smart. Remember, the next 8 years could be the most profitable time of your life.